Verifying your identity on Flexepin is crucial for ensuring secure transactions. If your initial verification attempt fails, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Review verification requirements. Check the specific documents and information required for verification. Ensure you have valid identification, such as a government-issued ID, and any additional documents requested by Flexepin. Step 2. Check your submission. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. If your verification fails, reach out to Flexepin's customer support. Provide them with details about your situation and ask for guidance on how to proceed with the verification process. Step 4. Resubmit your documents. Follow the instructions provided by customer support to resubmit your identification documents. Make sure to double-check that everything is accurate and meets the requirements. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After resubmitting your documents, allow some time for Flexepin to review your information. Monitor your email for any updates or confirmation regarding your verification status. By following these steps, you can successfully navigate the verification process on Flexepin. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek assistance from their support team.